And it's now time for the Business Day. There's a call this evening for stakeholders in the agriculture sector to capitalize on research and technology to boost production. Agriculture Minister Floyd Green made the appeal at the opening of a new research facility at Caribbean Broilers Group.
The country is now home to the first research and development facility in the Western Hemisphere designed to improve broiler performance in tropical climates. Caribbean Broilers has partnered with Devonish, a United Kingdom-based global leader in animal nutrition, to make it happen.
In a large production here where you have 2 million birds, you don't need, there isn't a silver bullet out there that's going to improve the performance of your birds. But what it is, it's marginal. It's the cumulative effect of marginal gain. And it's the cumulative effect of measuring scientifically so as that we fully understand what slight tweak to the diet, to the environment, and various different things can change the outcome.
Caribbean Broilers officials say the facility is on par with the best in the world. Chief Executive Officer Matthew Lynn says great emphasis has also been placed on environmental safeguards.
What's also up there is a power plant, a combined heat and power plant. It is the water that goes into the air chill plant, and the reduced amount of water, since we use a far less water doing air chill than the typical North American water chill product. But we take all of that water to irrigate the lands of the 1,000 acres. We take the waste material here as fertilizers to also fertilize those lands.
The opening of the facility comes at a time when production in the broiler sector is up. Agriculture Minister Floyd Green says since 2014, the broiler annual production outturn has grown by 25%, moving from 110 million kilograms to 138 million kilograms. The sector is also projected to grow by 3.4%. It is why Mr. Green believes research and investment in technology will augur well for industries in the agriculture sector. He pointed to other long-term benefits for poultry.
We can feed ourselves. And not only are we trying to feed ourselves, I've said it to CB, I've said it to all the teams, our responsibility is to feed the region. We have everything it takes to feed the entire Caribbean. So when the Caribbean says they're looking to reduce imports by 25% by 2025, Jamaica must be at the front of that. And we've already developed the economies of scale for poultry, so our poultry sector must lead that. And I must say, I'm happy to see that we're exporting more poultry, because when you reach self-sufficiency, what you need to do is to export.
Carrie Ann Simpson, TVJ News.
Foreign exchange trading ended today with banks and cambios selling the American dollar for an average $159.07. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $114.33. $206.63 is the average value of the pound, while the euro is going for $171.03. And to the stock market now, the JSE index advanced by 3,582 points today, while the junior market advanced by 33 points. Among the 65 winners, Proven US Dollar Shares, Proven Group, Cygnus Real Estate Financial, 138 Student Living Variable Share, and JPS 7%. The 30 losers include Key Insurance, Cygnus Real Estate Financial US Dollar Share, Mayberry Jamaican Equities, iCreate, and Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances. 23 stocks traded firm. And that's it for the Business Day. International stories are next.